Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive into the tools and gadgets that make your work faster, easier, and just plain better. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best jewelry-making pliers wire cutters available right now. The nice Power 5-inch professional pliers wire cutters. Let's cut right into it. If you're into electronics, jewelry making, floral art, or just need precision in your cutting tools, this little powerhouse might just become your go-to. At just 5 inches in length, the nice power wire cutter is compact, but don't let that fool you. This tool is designed for serious precision work. The cutters are made from high-quality carbon steel, giving them excellent durability and long-lasting edge retention. Whether you're trimming copper wires in your DIY circuit board project or snipping delicate wire for a beaded necklace, these blades stay sharp and effective. You can really feel the click of quality when they close, clean, sharp, and efficient. One of the standout features is the flush cut design. That means when you make a cut, there's no jagged edge or pointy leftover piece sticking out. That's huge in jewelry making and electronics, where precision and safety are critical. The cut is smooth, flat, and professional every time. The handle is ergonomic and coated in soft, anti-slip rubber, which makes longer sessions of crafting or soldering a lot easier on your hands. Plus, it's spring-loaded, meaning it automatically opens after each cut, reducing hand fatigue and making repetitive work feel way less taxing. And it doesn't stop there. The cutter is also extremely lightweight, coming in at under 3 ounces. That makes it ideal to toss into your toolkit, whether you're a hobbyist working at your desk or a professional moving from gig to gig. Now, let's talk applications. This isn't just for jewelry. This is a multi-purpose cutter that works great for trimming electrical wires, zip ties, plastic bits, and even stems in floral arrangements. It's precise enough for crafts and durable enough for light electrical work. Think of it as your small but mighty sidekick. Compared to bulkier wire cutters, this one offers better visibility and control. When you're making a delicate cut, you don't want a massive tool blocking your view or slipping from your hand. With the nice power, what you see is exactly what you cut, and you do it with finesse. If you're someone who values precision, durability, and comfort in your crafting or electrical tools, the nice power wire cutters are a no-brainer. For their price point, they punch way above their weight, literally and figuratively. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a product critique drop. Have you used this wire cutter or something similar? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what tools you swear by. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just buy products, critique them. See you next time.